Welcome guys, so today I'm with Blackview A70 and I want to show you how you can apply tempered glass on display for this smartphone. So at the first you have to remember to prepare a good source of light to see every fingerprint, greasy marks and other stuff that we have on our display because we have to remove it, we have to clean the screen, so that's very important. And right now I'm gonna zoom in a little bit to show you how it looks in this way. Okay. Right now, as you can see in this phone, we can find already installed protection. It's very thin foil. You are able to remove it or you can leave it on the screen. No matter, you can just make a choice. In my case, I'm gonna leave it and I'm gonna improve protection of the screen. So at the first, when you open the box with the tempered glass, so there will be for sure the glass, and inside you will find two wipes. Now we are going to start from the wet one. And right now all you have to do just simply clean the screen. Okay. And next we have to use the dry wipe. And right now just remove all of this wet cleaning marks. Okay, and right now another step will be to grab this tempered glass, grab this sticker, remove it gently. As you can see, it's attached with the foil. So do it like that. Take a look one more time on your screen and be sure that there is no any pieces of the dust. In my case, I can find few of them, so I can recommend you to swipe to the one direction and remove. Okay, and right now I can recommend you to hold this tempered glass like that in your forefingers, and we can start applying from the upper section of the screen. So put it like that, keep holding the bottom part, put your finger right here, then put the bottom part, and right now you can, for example, press like that or swipe with your finger, then do the same for the edges. If you got any air bubbles, you can remove it with your fingernail. So we have to basically push to one of the edge, and at the end you can just grab this dry wipe and press to remove the glue marks. Okay, and as you can see, the glass is on the screen, so right now I can check if there is no any problem with the touch interaction or the display sensitivity, however you can call it. So as you can see, there's no any problem, everything works fine. And that's how we can apply the glass for this device step by step. So as you can see, that's the Blackview A70. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.